Are you addicted to Cane's Ice just like I am? Well, I got you. You can get this ice machine, get your own Sonic Cane Ice, and I'm gonna surprise my mom with it. Yeah, get into it! I don't know why she's lifting heavy stuff, guys, so I'm gonna take over. So I already got it out, and if you get this, just know that it's gonna be really protected. Have to take all this stuff out, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So as you may know, I already have this silver one, but I had to get the black one just to see the difference between how they would work. I have my pregnant sister helping me out. Yeah, sister! So this ice machine is gonna come with ice bags, so when it fills up, you can go ahead and refill this. And it comes with a scooper. This is the thing where all the ice is gonna accumulate from, and you pour water in here. To get it working, I pressed it 2 times. I already went ahead and put 2 bottled waters. Leave me alone, sister. 2 water bottles in there. And yeah, this scooper is super nice. This scooper is bigger than the one that I had prior, so I like it. Just leave it in there and close it. So I'm telling you, it's only gonna take 2 to 3 minutes for it to already start producing ice. It comes out through there. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more water so it can fill that line. And I'll record when the ice starts producing. Yeah, sister, pour it to the line. Oh, no. Yeah. So this is what the ice looks like. Not only does it make the ice, but it also self-cleans itself, and there's something in the bottom down there where you can drain the water. And yeah, the ice comes out through there. And it came with this cute little scoop. And it came with ice bags. We're gonna surprise my mom when she comes home, and let's see if she approves of this ice machine or if it's a flop and you guys shouldn't waste your money on it. How do you feel about it, Mom?
Oh my lord, let me see.
Yeah, take a look, take a look.
Don't film me.
I'm only filming your hand. 10 out of 10, guys. She totally recommends.